Parang similar with asthma. You have weak lungs, like look at my eyes. Rest well. Get well soon, David. Oh, I have asthma too. Hi, Shopee. I have asthma. Hi, Tom. Shall we, Tom? Good afternoon. Thank you for tap. Thank you for tap, guys. Saturday. Yeah, I'm a tourism student. Well, ano, on our final, we have tour. You know, guys, I'm not feeling well also. I have lower back pain. I don't know if this is a kidney stone. Wow, thank you so much, Tom. Thank you so much. Your gifts means a lot to me. Thank you. Why I'm doing this? Why um why I'm doing Bigo? Cause I want to support my study. To support, you know, it costs a lot of money. Hi, I have symptoms. Yeah, similar with the kidney stone. Hi, I'm suck. That's why I'm not active here. That's why I'm not active here on Bigo. Because lately, I have lower back pain and I search on Google. Yeah, may mga symptoms ako ng ganun. I have symptoms. That's why I'm not active here on Bigo. But kailangan ko pero kailangan ko magpa-quota. I have OPK on 14. Wala pa nga akong wala as in. Hindi ako mahilig sa chichirya. But, you know, I don't have, beans already pa. So, I hope before end of the month, guys, help me reach my quota. Just 15k beans lang, guys. It will help me a lot. I'm so sorry if I'm so sorry, guys, if I'm look like this. If you think I'm ugly today, I'm so sorry. Because thank you, Tom. You're so kind talaga.